I can give a classic example. Nowadays, every organization would have this vision of giving better customer experience, right? So, meaning to say, you need to collect all data coming from different channels because it is a problem or a complex problem coming from the data analytics, from data science, how they can be able to see what a particular consumer is doing, what is their behavior, how can we provide them a personalized offer, how can we run a marketing campaign. So definitely it will be coming from different sources, from front end systems, from your core systems and other applications, mobile apps, whatever. So now it is very hard for a data science team, for data analytics team to combine everything because you will be running a lot of things in your model and all that. So here comes the data engineers making wonders out of it. They will be the one responsible to consolidate everything based on the transformation, based on the business rules. They will transform your data into a business data sets that will be used scalable and flexible, being used by your data consumers. So now you are actually a problem solver to those kind of challenges that the company is facing. So you consolidate all your data. And of course, when I say consolidate, you perform all the necessary data governance or data management disciplines, accuracy, validation, and all that. And your business right now is confident that this data that we have coming from different disparate sources is now a consolidated one that when you call Mel Valerio, okay, he has this transaction, he has this account, he paid for this one, he paid his bills, blah, blah, blah. So he can get all those data all at once in one spreadsheet or in one table. So that's how I would see data engineers play a very critical role in the organization on a day-to-day basis, on an ad hoc basis. But of course, there's a lot of things that the data engineers can.
I can add one more example. It's of course, data is something which you can track somebody's behavior, what they're really doing with your product or product. So that can really help you to optimize your product. And with that one, you can even create a new product too. But however, let me give you something which is really done, because moderator was saying that I want to say something which is already done. So let me give you an example. I'm not sure you haven't heard about this app too. So in Vietnam, last year, they've been launched a COVID vaccination passport. So that means it has different doses, first dose, second dose, third dose. So everybody all over the world is 90 million, and all over this country, 90 million people was taking vaccine shots, and all the data was considered and created a mobile app for everyone to be installed. So people can easily see that what is the present status. Is it yellow, or is it a green, or is it super green? How many doses they have taken? Everything has been sent to their mobile apps. And now the mobile can have a QR code. So now everywhere they're going to go in, they're going to shopping mall, they're going to office, they will scan the QR code and go in. So now all the data going to a central place. So now if somebody get COVID positive, then immediately we can know what is the path they really taken over in the last 2 weeks period of time, and who was cross-path that person to. There will be F0, F1, and F2, and that will be much easily for the administrative team. A report was sent to the administrative team so they can take the action much easily. And that played a really powerful approach for controlling the COVID-19 in Vietnam too. And that was an incredible, and that was very agile deployment, phase by phase, but now finally it's a really good, powerful tool. And now this tool can be used not for COVID, for any kind of national level contamination, or even this app can be used for a massive flood or any kind of a disaster issue. The same app can be used. Like an example, we know that that area will be flooded and there will be 2 meters high wave was coming through. So we know who are in that area, and we can send them a notification and make sure that they really evacuate that area as well too.
So just adding to, I think so. Mel and John has given amazing examples of what data engineers normally do, right? I'll just add one thing. Yeah, the examples are fantastic. But beyond this, data engineers also do something which a lot of people don't like. Right? Like for example, the data quality, I would say, right? A lot of time, I would say, much like if you divide the whole thing, right? 30 to 40% of the time, they are going to work on issues in the data, right? What kind of issues there are, what are kind of missing data, what kind of, where is it missing, what kind of problem why it is missing and all, and how to improve the quality of the data, because everything is possible, like what John's put forward, what Mel put forward, but it needs a very good data to do it. If the data if data is bad, it's like bad data go in and bad data go out, right? Something like that. So you have to make sure that the data which you collected, which you have extracted, making sure that the data quality is very, very good, and then going ahead and start creating the amazing ideas of John and Mel. Yeah. So that it is also a job of data engineer to do that.